Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, State your name, been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping, keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, Cialis, flawless, broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who
Here's Diesel, baby.
Yo, so I just got to Hoon Meet. It's been going on for like an hour now, and it's already crazy.
This is better than weed.
Yo, go follow the ECS boys on Instagram.
What's up, What's up?
Make sure you follow us, and if you're from Charlotte area, North Carolina, go ahead and join. I mean, it's fun, and we host meets like this. My boy Philly's got his set up. He's got the red fog lights in the coupe front bumper. Got the Cybon carbon hood and everything. This man's set. He's just got to finish up the side skirts and lower it, man. And this Civic right here is pretty dope too. Yo, this Z just caught my eyes. Slammed, big wing, tucking. That's what's up. Yo, it's for Christian right here. Well, the IS could have been. Well, the IS also could have been. Man, these ISs around here are crazy. The gold dash looking stuff. Man, there's just some weird things here. Some crazy things here. But yeah, follow us on ECS because we host stuff like this pretty much monthly. I just want to say this G is crazy, man. Look at that fitment, my guy. Oh. TikTok truck himself out here, 04 track. And then you got cars going off. You got the muscle cars. The boys already got a second spot and everything because cops showed up, and so they're gonna go crazy right fast, and we about to dip. sitting all the way over in front of that store right now, and people are just revving and running around. Like, it's crazy, man. God. Well, boys, time to move on, because things happen. But now there's another spot, and we're gonna go to it right fast. I also had to put the GoPro down, so I'm filming on my phone right now. And there's a big turbo Civic right there. But this part was fun. Next part's probably gonna be even crazier. So mobs with like 50, 60 cars on the highway here, and man, this stuff is crazy. GT500 just beat everybody, dude. The GT500 just waxed all the Challengers, all the Chargers. They don't matter anymore. The king is here. Show me. Yes, sir. He about to blow them suckers. Kill the tires. So after that last clip, we went to another spot because the cops showed up, and I didn't even get to get there and get parked for like 5 minutes before they showed up again. So then I just called it a night. But anyways, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like seeing these car meet content, make sure you follow ECS on Instagram and subscribe to me. But anyways, guys, have a great rest of y'all's day, and peace out.
Now turn up.